Hi, Tom from MarineMax in Kent Island, Maryland. Happy to show you this brand new 2024 Scout 195 Sportfish we just got in. It's in shark gray, full hull color. It's a beautiful boat. Comes with a Yamaha 150 horsepower outboard. Wonderful boat, ready to cruise and fish. In the aft end here, we've got seating galore, and we've got storage below on either side. Plenty of space. Moving a little bit forward, we've got a wonderful seat, leaning post with a bait well. Great to have. Here we are at the center console of the Scout 195 Sportfish. This boat is well equipped. It has trim tabs with trim tab indicators, so you know exactly where your trim tabs are. Full instrumentation, Fusion stereo, all of your controls, and great storage area with a plug-in for your phone. Up above, we've got a T-top, which is wonderful, with a storage bag and rocket launchers for those who love to fish. So moving forward, we've got plenty of storage inside the console here with a door. And then up front, we got a cooler seat here, igloo cooler, wonderful comfortable seat, and a full bow cushion, plenty of room to relax, and underneath, plenty of storage that we can show. And then up front, we have an anchor locker, and then optional bow rod cup holders, so you can either fish off the bow and store your drinks up there. The boat is fully finished, stainless steel throughout on all the fittings. Wonderful boat, unsinkable, foam filled, Scout, handmade by a family-owned company in South Carolina. We'd love to have you come down and see this brand new Scout 195 Sportfish. My name's Tom. Come see us.